It's Route 66 Connect. You know I came from nothing.
I see.
Purchase your tracks today.
The gutter. D-boy, she's gonna ride with me. Ban me from the beach, cause I couldn't stop tripping. Pretty ladies with me, gripping grain and now we sipping. Matter of fact.
What's cracking, YouTube? It's your boy, SPANKdaWORLD. First and foremost, I wanna hope everybody out there enjoying their day to day. I already know, man. Gonna make something, just gonna be something quick, man. Something short. I mean, y'all can see, man, we in old sky blue, man. Just a quick video, man, on old sky blue. Just something quick. She a little under the weather. You feel what I'm saying? She a little under the weather, man. Gotta get her doctored up. Just been a couple things. One of the things I ain't get on film, or I ain't get it on camera because it happened. As soon as it happened, I just had I happened to be in sky blue, and the muffler, like the pipe on the muffler came off or something, like a hole in the muffler. So as soon as that happened, I just went straight to the muffler shop. I didn't even have my camera on, so I got that fixed. That was off camera, so we got that fixed. We got that taken care of. But now, as y'all can see, we got the old saggy. We got the saggy draw ceiling. You know what I mean? As y'all can see, man. When I first got the car, it had just like a couple little small, like looking air bubbles, maybe something that, you know, I ain't think would do this fast. So hey, it is what it is. That's what's going on with Sky Blue, man. She got the little saggy ceiling, saggy, whatever you want to call it, man. So right now we're on our way back to the same place. If y'all seen the video when I had the crossfire, we had to get the headliner and the crossfire fixed. So we're on our way to the same place. Out here, the old Benny's upholstery, man. You know, I know where to take it to. Trust me, I know where to take it to. So we out here, like I said, same place we took the crossfire, man. Get this headliner addressed, get it taken care of. You know what I'm saying? And that's about it, man. That's all I got y'all here for right now, man. So, like I said, if it ain't too much trouble, man, hit that subscribe button, like the videos, comment on the videos, share the videos, all that, man. And you know, I appreciate it. You know, I appreciate that. You feel me? Definitely appreciate that. But like I say, man, we out here. We gonna get out here to old Benny's and see what's happening. See what's up with this headliner, man. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, so when I holler at that old Benny, good workers, they be bagged up. Wasn't bagged up like that on the crossfire. When I took the crossfire, just got it right in. You know what I mean? But I don't know. You know how that goes. Gotta wait in line. So hey, gonna have to wait, get old sky blue fixed. But stay tuned though, man, because I'm gonna take y'all, already know I'm gonna take y'all with me. So stay tuned.